Every morning looked exactly the same. Dust on the windows, silence knew my name. Tiny gears were turning, but my heart stood still, counting borrowed moments against my own will. Old clocks kept whispering stories of the past. Everyone kept moving, nothing ever lasts. I repaired their hours, one by one each day, while my own tomorrow slowly slipped away. Then the little bell rang softly at 2:15. I looked up for just 1 second, and the whole world changed its view. You walked into my lonely shop like sunlight through the rain. Every broken second found a reason once again. I spent my life repairing time for strangers passing through, but time began to matter the day I looked at you. You returned each Tuesday just to say hello, holding little flowers with nowhere else to go. Sometimes we shared coffee, sometimes only smiles, yet somehow every minute felt worthwhile. You laughed among the ticking clocks like music soft and bright. Even shadows disappear inside your gentle light. The workshop felt much warmer every afternoon. Spring arrived unnoticed long before June. Every tiny watch I mended beat a little differently, as if every second knew you had rescued me. You walked into my lonely shop like sunlight through the rain. Every broken second found a reason once again. I spent my life repairing time for strangers passing through, but time began to matter the day I looked at you. People say that time keeps fading, nothing beautiful can stay, but love writes its own hours in an everlasting way. Hands may circle endlessly, years may come and go, yet every heart remembers the place it learned to grow. You walked into my silent world, and every clock could sing. Every lonely winter turned into the spring. I no longer fear tomorrow or everything I've lost, because love is never measured by the hands upon a clock. Time may keep on turning, seasons passing through, but every precious moment will always lead to you. Now the old clocks still are ticking softly on the wall, yet I finally understand time was never all. Some hearts wait a lifetime for one love so true. I forgot the meaning of time until I found